Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of Spathion DeFi Learning System. Today, we are presenting a peer-to-peer model and end-user experience of business borrower, crypto lender, and the admin. For the borrower, we have an invoice generation tool and an accompanied Ethereum wallet module that business can use to generate an invoice and propose for loan from the platform. So here we have Punus joining on the other
Hi.
side. Punus, please log into the borrower
Hi.
window. So this is the dashboard that borrower get. This is a full-fledged dashboard where they can connect to their existing ERP module. Here, borrowers can set up their profile. They can create an invoice or even upload an existing invoice. All the invoice that they have uploaded will be viewed on view invoice section. They can even manage their purchase order, and this have an inbuilt Ethereum wallet as well. So here we are generating an invoice for the demo purpose. All the necessary details of the invoice should be entered manually, including the purchase order number, name of the buyer, GST ID of the buyer, email ID of the buyer, denomination in which the trade is happening, and the mobile number. So here we are generating an invoice using create invoice button. Once that button is being used, an invoice will be created and then email from the registered email ID will be sent to the customer, and you can see the created invoice in view invoice section in the customer invoice window. So here we actually have three invoices, and you can see the latest one being generated right now. And here the borrower have an option to apply for loan. They can view the details of the invoice, and when the borrower clicks for applies for loan, they have an option to they put it as 100th. They have an option to see the invoice as well as apply for loan from here. They can choose the amount and loan duration and apply for loan here. This, yeah, they can use the min function and confirm function. So it will directly go to the admin panel for the approval. We can log out from this borrower section. Right now we are logging to the admin section. So here we are demonstrating a peer-to-peer model where admin acts as a validator to validate the invoices. In the all invoice section, admin can view all the invoices that have been requested for funding from the borrowers. So here, admin can validate or reject the invoice. For the purpose of demo, admin is validating the invoice. So admin just validated the invoice, and it will be displayed on admin approved invoice. So this is the latest invoice that admin have just approved. So we are logging out from this admin dashboard. And we are logging to the crypto dashboard. Here, a crypto lender will get every invoice that has been approved for funding, and he can choose what invoice he can fund as well. So this is a peer-to-peer, complete peer-to-peer model where the lender will be directly lending money to the borrower. Here, the lender is choosing an invoice to fund. He can choose the amount that he will be funding. the end-to-end process of how a borrower originates a invoice and propose a loan to the platform, and how the admin approves the invoice as well as the lender funds the invoice. Yeah, we can log out from the screen. So basically, Spathion is providing a data-driven lending model in the fee, where the invoice data will be used as the primary collateral to assess the credit worthiness of the borrower and provide working capital loan to the business organizations. And right now we are logged into the borrower window. And in the wallet section, funded invoice will be reflected, and we can see the balance will be updated in the wallet as well. Yeah. So this is the entire workflow of how the peer-to-peer model works. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.